Hello kids, Shubhamangalam at Little Scholar High School. Myself Mrs. Razrina taking standard first subject science. Standard first subject science. Today we will learn new terms of new lesson number 14. Yes, today we will discuss new terms of lesson 14 and you will write new terms after explanation. You will write new terms in your classwork with good and neat handwriting. Okay. Lesson number 13, communication. Lesson number 13, communication. Communication. Communication means talking with each other, sharing our information as soon as you see your friends. Yes, when you go to school in the morning, as soon as you meet your friends, what you will do, you will start talking to each other. Yes or no? Yes, in the evening we went there, yesterday we had this, yesterday my mother prepared this, we went out. All this you will share your things with your friends. Yes or no? So that is known as communication. You will say something and your friend will give answer to that. Yes, your friend also will start saying, yes, yesterday also we also went out, we went to one party, we went to birthday party. You both share your thoughts, feelings with each other. Yes or no? You say something, your friend will say something. Yes. So that is known as communication. Communication means sharing our things with others, sharing our ideas, thoughts, sharing our ideas, thoughts with others. Yes, if you say something, they too will reply to you. Yes, you will ask something, they will give answer to you. That is communication, talking to each other, not only you. When teacher asks you something, did you finish your homework, you will give answer to that. Yes, if you don't do, you give some explanation. No teacher, yesterday I did not get time to finish my homework because we went out, we were busy. Yes, so that is sharing information or sharing thoughts with others is known as communication. Communication means talking to each other. Not only you friends will talk, you will talk with your parents, you will talk with your neighbor children, you will talk with your neighbor auntie, uncle. Yes, so all that is known as communication. When we talk, we share our things and feelings to someone. Yes, that is known as communication. Communication means sharing our thoughts, feelings, ideas to others. First one, communication. Communication. You too should read along with me. You should learn all the spellings. Yes, when I am teaching, you should learn the spellings. Communication. Communication. Big word, no? Break and read. Communication. Communication. Once again. Communication. Communication. Communication means, just now I told you what is that? Sharing your thoughts, feelings to someone, others. Yes. Again, they too will share their thoughts, feelings to you. They too will say something to you. Yes or no? That is communication, talking to each other. Ideas, ideas, ideas. Yes, if you are planning to do something, you will share your idea. No, if we do like this, it will be good. Then other person will say, if we do like this will be good. Yes, so sharing our ideas, whatever thoughts you have in your mind, you will share with your friends. You will talk with your friends. Yes, ideas. You will communicate. Whatever ideas you have in your mind, you will communicate with others. You will talk with others. W-O-R-L-D, world. W-O-R-L-D, world. Where we are living? We are living in this world. Yes, where we are living? Plants, animals, birds, and we are living on earth. No, this is our world. Yes. We are living in this world with our family members, with our relatives, with our friends. W-O-R-L-D, world. W-O-R-L-D, world. In world, everybody will communicate with each other. In world, everybody will communicate with each other. C-O-M-M-U-N-I-C-A-T-E, communicate. C-O-M-M-U-N-I-C-A-T-E, communicate. C-O-M-M UNICATE. Communicate is same as communication. Communicate means talking to each other. Talking to each other. VOICE. 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 Now what I am doing? I am teaching to you. Yes, I am communicating this all information to you. Yes, I am communicating these new terms to you. Communicating means I am explaining, I am sharing my ideas about these all points, new terms to you. Yes, I am communicating some new information to you about this topic, communication. Yes. So voice, with what I am communicating to you now? By talking, by my voice you can listen and understand the new terms of this lesson. Yes, I am communicating, I am talking to you with my voice. Yes or no? You are able to hear me? Yes, how you are able to hear me? Because I am using my voice. Because I am using my voice to communicate all these words to you, to say something new about all these new words to you. So many of you, what we use our voice to communicate. Everybody can talk. Yes, so everybody, we use our voice to communicate. If you are talking in mobile, yes, you use your voice. If you are talking with your friends, you use your voice and talk. Yes, so many of us communicate with voice. We use our voice to communicate. Some people are there, deaf and dumb. Yes, you know, they can't talk, they can't listen. So how they communicate? With actions. Yes, they do actions. Deaf and dumb children means children are people those who can't hear and they can't talk. They can't hear and they can't talk. So how they communicate? You saw them, deaf and dumb people. How they communicate, how they talk, because no voice for them. Yes, we are talking, but why? Because we have voice, we are talking. Some people, they don't have voice. They are deaf and dumb people. How they communicate? With the signs. Yes, they do some actions. No, with that action, people will understand what they want to communicate. Deaf and dumb people also have their ideas, thoughts. They too want to communicate. They too want to talk with others, but they don't have voice. So how they share their feelings, ideas to other? By doing some actions. By doing some actions with their fingers. By that we can understand what they want to say. So many of us use our voice to communicate. Many of us use our voice to communicate. INFORMATION. 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 If you have any information, what you will do? Immediately you come and say to your friend. Yes, you will share that information with your friend or your parents or your relatives. Yes, whatever information you have, you will share with others. Whatever information they have, they will share with you. Yes or no? Information about someone or some mobile phone. Yes, that mobile phone was very good. My daddy purchased that mobile phone. In that many options are there, many apps are there. Yes, like that you will share your information about something to your friends or relatives or your teachers. Yes, that is information. Information also you will share through communication. LETTER, letter. Here see, information we can send through letters. In olden days, many of us used to write letters, but nowadays we are using mobile phone. It's very easy. Wherever you want to talk, we will turn the number and we are just talking to them. But in previous days, no, many of us not use mobiles. They used to write letters. They use, if they want to ask something, how they are, where they are. Yes, so what we used to do, we used to write letters and send them to the particular person. Yes, we used to post it in the post box. The postman used to collect the letters and he used to see the address where we have written no address, where we want to send that letter. That address he will check and he will send to that respective places. The person in that place will receive our letter and he will start reading. Yes, so we can communicate not only with voice, through letters also. Yes, through letters also. We can share our feelings, thoughts through letters also. Yes, what they used to do, no, how are you, what you are doing, how are your children, what they are studying, all that they used to write on piece of paper and they used to post it, no, in letter. As soon as that person receives, no, he will read that letter and he will give answer to that. Yes, my children are studying this, we all are fine. Yes, we are going to come to Hyderabad in this week. So like that they used to give reply. Like that they used to share their information, thoughts through letters. Telephone, nowadays everybody is using telephone, mobiles, no. Yes, wherever you want to talk, in say same city or another city or outside the country also, we are dialing the number and we are just talking to them. Yes, through telephone also we can share our ideas, feelings, information with others. Yes, if they are in other country also we are using telephones and we are talking, we are communicating with each other. We are communicating with each other. If your grandma is in some other state, yes, some other city, you are in Hyderabad, she is in Delhi, then what we are doing? We are easily using our mobile phones and you will be talking every day also, you will talk, yes or no? So what we are talking at that time? Using our voice. We are using our voice and we are talking. Your grandma will be asking you something, what you are doing, you will give answer to her that. What homework you have done, you will give answer to her that. Which lessons you finished today, you will give answer to that. Yes, so in that way you will share some information with others. Yes, they will be asking you what you are doing, what you had for breakfast, all that they will be asking and you will be giving information and you again start asking to them, yes, what you are doing, what you had. So that is sharing our information, sharing our thoughts, sharing our feelings, sadness, happiness, all that we share with others. That is communication. We will communicate through letters. We can communicate through telephone also. We can talk and we can communicate. And next one is radio, radio. Radio, radio. Yes. Through radios also we can listen to news, we can listen to songs. Radio is also one of the means of communication, one of the means of giving information to us. NEWS, news. NEWS, news. PAPER, paper, newspaper. NEWS, news. NEWS, news. PAPER, paper. Many of you will get newspaper in the morning, no? As soon as newspaper comes, daddy or mummy take and they will start reading. Yes, why they are reading newspaper? Because lot of information will be in the newspaper, given in the information about our state, about other state, about other country also, about some people. Some information, thoughts will be on newspaper. How? In printed form, written form it will be. So they will start reading that and they will come to know that what is happening in other state, what is happening in other city, what people are going to do. So all that information they can get through newspaper also. That's why we read newspaper. What our president is going to do today, where he is going, where our president is going to whom the president is going to visit today, so which places he is visiting today, all that will be important informations will be given in newspaper. Yes, so we read newspaper to get information, to get more information, not only about our state, other state and other countries also. NEWS, news. PAPER, paper, newspaper. MOBILE, mobile. MOBILE, mobile. PHONE, phone. Nowadays everyone is using mobile phone. Yes, So lot of information we can get through mobile phone also. If you want, mobile phone is very easy to carry everywhere. Mobile phone is small. Yes, you are using mobile phone now. It is very small. Your daddy carries to office room. Your mummy carries to office. Yes, they will keep it in purse and they will carry mobile phone. And whenever they want to text, they want to give any message also, it's very easy from mobile phone. Yes, to send messages from one another. Yes, to send pass message from one phone to another phone, pass message from one phone to another phone. So mobile phone made our life easy. Yes or no? Wherever we want, we are carrying. If you want to talk, we will talk. If you want to send any message to anyone, we can send through mobile phone. Yes or no? So mobile phone also giving information. They are also used as communication. TELEVISION. TELE, tele, VISION, vision, television. TELE, TELEVISION, vision, television. What is television? TV. Yes, what is television? TV. What you will do? You will watch cartoon. When you are seeing cartoon, you are getting some information, no? That this person is doing that Chota Beam is running here, Chutki is doing some work. Yes, you are seeing through your eyes and you are thinking that, yes, what they are doing, what actions they are doing. So television also act as giving information. We can hear news. Yes, we can see movies, you can see cartoon. So lot of information also we get through television. Through television. Television means TV. MAARGDARSHAK, magazines. MAARGDARSHAK, magazines. What are magazines? Books, magazine books. In that also lot of information will be in printed form about some actor, actress, about some great people. Lot of information will be printed in that magazine book. As we get that book, we will start reading. We will get whatever is written in that book. We will think, no, when we are reading, we will get all that information. When we read that magazine books, we get lot of information, whatever printed in that books. So magazine is also a means of communication. MESSAGES, messages. MESSAGES, messages. Through computer we can send message to someone. Yes, through mobile phones also we can send message. We can text, we can message, and we can send to whom you want to send. We can send message, sending information from one mobile to another mobile, from one computer to another computer. COMPUTER, computer. COMPUTER, computer. Everybody is nowadays using computer, no, at home? Yes, through computer we can, lot of information we get through computer. You can listen to your classes, you can play, you can text message, you can book a ticket, if internet connection is there, lot of things we can do through computer. If internet connection is given to computer, lot of things we can do through computer. You can listen to class. Yes, you can text message, you can send messages to others. You can online shopping also, you can do and also you can message to someone. You can do online shopping. Next is LAPTOP, laptop. Laptop is also small like computer, no? Yes, that one we will place on your lap, or we can easily keep it somewhere. We can carry. Computer you can carry. No, why? Because for computer we have monitor, we have monitor separately. We can't carry all those things, no? So, but laptop is very small. Easily we can keep it in our bag and we can carry wherever we go. We can carry our laptop. Email. We can send mails to one computer to another computer, from one laptop to another laptop. CONNECTED, connected. We can send mails through one computer to another computer if we have connected to internet. If we have internet connection, then only we can share. Otherwise, just you can use it at home. You can play, you will get some information. But if you want to send to someone anything, we need internet connection to that. CONNECTED, connected means special type of wire will be given to your computer. Then only we can send messages to someone. We can do online shopping. We can book a ticket. INTERNET, internet. Internet. Internet connection should be given to computer. Then only we can send our messages to anyone. In mobiles, what we are using, mobile data connection we use. No, yes, if we don't use that mobile data connection, no connection means we can't send any messages to anyone. So in phones also we use internet. For computers also we need internet connection. TICKETS, tickets. If we have internet connection to our computers, we can book tickets. We can book tickets for train. We can book tickets for bus. We can book ticket for aeroplane. You can book tickets for movies also. So tickets. TRAVEL, travel. Yes, to travel from one place to another, we will book tickets. No, traveling means what? Moving from one place to another. Traveling means moving from one place to another. If you want to go from Secunderabad to Delhi, yes, we use what? We use train or aeroplane. Yes, we will travel. We will travel through train or aeroplane. SHARE, share. SHARE, share means whatever ideas, thoughts you have in your mind, you will share with others. You will share with others. It may be your friend, it may be your parents, maybe your neighbors or grandparents. Yes, you will share your ideas, feeling, thoughts with others. If you have something in mind, you can't keep it yourself and you will say no. Immediately whatever idea you get in your mind, no, immediately you will share with others. Yes, that is sharing. Now take out your science classwork. Start writing lesson 14, communication. Communication heading, the first 4 lines. Yes, communication heading on the first 4 lines and start writing. We will read. You complete your work. Yes, as I am reading, you too should read and write it very neatly in your classwork. Now open your science classwork. Science 4 rule classwork. Everyone finished lesson 13, new terms, vision zone and objectives in your classwork. Check before going to lesson 14. You should complete your lesson 13. New terms should be completed, revision zone should be completed, and 2 or 3 objectives I asked you to write it in your classwork. Did you finish that? Now start writing lesson 14. Lesson 14, write on the first 4 lines communication. Lesson name COMMUNICATION, communication. What is communication? Communication means talking. Now I communicated to you. These all new terms I told to you. Yes, I explained to you. All these new terms I explained to you. I communicated all these new terms to you. By my voice, by my voice. New terms, start writing. NEW, terms. You write and also read. COMMUNICATION, communication. COMMUNICATION, communication. COMMUNICATION, communication. Next, second one, IDEAS, ideas. IDEAS, ideas. You will be getting new ideas, many ideas in your mind. Yes, what you will do? You will share that idea immediately to someone. Yes, IDEAS, ideas. IDEAS, ideas. WORLD, world. WORLD, world. COMMUNICATE, communicate. COMMUNICATE, UNICATE, communicate. COMMUNICATE, communicate. VOICE, voice. VOICE, voice. VOICE, voice. INFORMATION, information. INFORMATION, information. INFORMATION, information. LETTER, letter. LETTER, letter. LETTER, letter. TELE, tele. PHONE, phone. PHONE, phone. Telephone. TELE, PHONE, telephone. TELE, PHONE, telephone. RADIO, radio. RADIO, radio. RADIO, radio. NEWS, news. NEWS, news. PAPER, paper. Newspaper. NEWS, news. PAPER, paper. Newspaper. NEWS, news. PAPER, paper. Newspaper. MOBILE, mobile. MOBILE, mobile. PHONE, phone. PHONE, phone, mobile phone. TELE, tele. VISION, vision, television. TV, television means TV. TELE, tele. TELE, tele. VISION, vision. VISION, vision, television. TELE, VISION, television. MAGAZINES, magazines. MAGAZINES, magazines. MAGAZINES, magazines. MESSAGES, messages. MESSAGES, messages. MESSAGES, messages. COMPUTER, computer. COMPUTER, computer. COMPUTER, computer. LAPTOP, laptop. LAPTOP, laptop. EMAIL, mail, email. EMAIL, mail, email. MAIL, mail, email. CONNECTED, connected. CONNECTED, connected. CONNECTED, connected. INTERNET, internet. INTERNET, internet. INTERNET, internet. TICKETS, tickets. TICKETS, tickets. TICKETS, tickets. TICKETS, tickets. TRAVEL, travel. TRAVEL, travel. TRAVEL, travel. SHARE, share. SHARE, share. SHARE, share. communication, ideas, world, communicate, voice, information, letter, telephone, radio, newspaper, mobile phone, television, magazines, messages, computer, laptop, email, connected, internet, tickets, travel, share. Yes, you continue writing. What is your homework? New terms. You should write it in your classwork. HW homework. WRITE, write, lesson. Which lesson is this? Lesson 14. NEW, new. TERMS, terms. IN, CW. You will write these new terms in your classwork with good and neat handwriting. Not only writing, you should learn all these spellings. You should know all these spellings. Yes, all these are important spellings. No, very useful spellings. So you should learn all these spellings. If you learn spellings, then it will be easy for you to read your lesson also. So learn these spellings and write it very neatly in your classwork. Complete it now. You should complete today's work. You should complete today only 22 words are there. Write it very neatly in your classwork. You can draw one center line. You can divide the paper into 2 equal halves, and both the sides you can write all 22. You will get in one paper only. Write it very neatly, and after writing each word you will read 5 times and learn the spellings. Each word you will read 5 times and learn the spellings. Okay, write it neatly and learn. Thank you, children.